back, YouTubers, to a new pinkslips video. Today I'm going to be playing for Inform Riviere. I think that's how you say his name anyways. Who gives a shite? Anyways, here he is. Yeah, he's shit, I know. But anyways, let's get into the game. So here we are. Here's his team stats and here's my team stats. Yeah, pretty kind of even, I'd say. Yeah, maybe he has more, but anyways, let's get started anyways. See what kind of team he has. I'm telling you now, Bundesliga sweat as usual. Like everybody. I hate those teams. And what did I tell you? Bundesliga sweat with Robin and Neymar. And Inform Ronaldo and Diego. Oh my days. Come on. Come on, please. No, please. No, my pad is not working. Super pad, come on. My LB's flipping messed up. Come on. Oh my days, what the hell am I doing? What the hell am I doing? What the hell am I doing? Lovely, yes. Yes, oh my days. Oh my days. Come on, we're on the counter. Come on. Let's make something out of this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mertens. No! Oh, no way. No! That's meant to be a fake shot. What the hell? Oh my days, this pad is actually stupid. I need a new one. Well. Oh my days. No, wait. Shite! How the hell did he score that? Oh my days, come on. Flipping S1. Oh my days! Lovely save keeper. Flipping get this out straight away. Ew. Oh my days. I hate these Bundesliga. FIFA makes you rage well. And it's always this Bundesliga sweat team, I'm telling you now. Head on that. Lovely. Come on, Ben Arfa. Lovely. Come on, Ben Arfa. Please, oh my days! How did he catch up? Come on. Come on. Good save, keeper. Flipping stupid keeper. Flipping stupid. We're doing one tackle for once in the game. Come on, Morales. Finished! Yes! Come on! Come on, go get that ball. Where you going? Come on, boys. We still have a chance. It's not over till it's over, boys. Come on. Look at that turn. Super turn. Oh, shit. Oh, flip. Robin, I knew already. I knew it. Please. Please keep her on the wall. Yes, over the bar. Lovely. Woo. That was a close one. And that was halftime. 2-1 to him. It's been a pretty tough half, but that's the possession there. And let's get into the second half. So here we are in the second half. He's tip off. No subs made. Let's get it started. Oh my days again. Come on, Morales. Oh! I don't remember who his keeper was. Let me think. What a ball. No way. Oh, If I got that in, that was right on Ben Arthur's left foot. Come on. Oh. Should have got into that. No way. Get the ball. Where's my keeper? Lovely. Come on. Oh. No. Offside. Oh, what the hell? No way. I'm telling you now, I never... Oh my... I never... Someone tackled the fella. Flip me, man. Comments. Who the flip is in the box? I'm crossing in for a reason, like. And that was the match. 3-1 to him. Brucey had teeth. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna record me giving him the Riviere. The show wasn't a scam. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And see you in the next video. So here's his item he has listed up, a QPR badge, as you can see, his team name Bruce T at the bottom. So here, we're going to send him a straight offer. Yeah, so there's Riviere or whatever, gone. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my Twitter, will be in the description for more giveaways and more pink slips as well. So see you.